Uba HM Shangpiang Rukhojuk Assembly Committee Halor Kajingpun ko bori ki kentei hakasi balang ulong baka sarkar jala kan pentikana baka jingka jingkya ki kentei bat ki khenna ha ke jala kan long ka kamram baningkong e ka sarkar kajingja kabla penpen ma de kani ka committee ka de ka jingra e ka wei ka kentei ka ba armet sha PHC da ka stretcher kabla shishana do usi Uba HM Shangpiang ulong ba haban tuat banya balai kum kini ki jingja ki ja bat balai ki asha la ne ki wei ki nong tre ka tana ka koi ka kya kimla ban yarab ki kentei ban kha hala ki jong kishnong.
Just a few days back, there was a situation in the East Garo Hills region wherein a pregnant woman had to be carried in a bamboo stretcher for 7 kilometers to reach to the nearest PHC. And the PHC is by the name of Rongrong PHC, which is again 94 kilometers away from the district headquarters. Now in such situation, we are repeatedly encountering these kind of situations where pregnant women are being victimized for non-availability of the proper and the right health care services. Therefore, I think the Department of Health should examine such situations, why this woman had to be carried in a in the bamboo stretcher all the way from her village to the nearest PHC. Why Ashas or other health workers could not have helped this woman with the delivery of the baby in her own village, and so on. And therefore, here we have to look at issues of road and communication. We have to look at issues of where there could be possibility of providing those kind of transport services under the NHM, where the government pays for such kinds of transport facilities. Therefore, I think we have to pull up our socks, and the government need to pull up its socks to see that the health care of women and children has to be on top priority, to see that precious lives are saved.
Uba Shangpiang ula pente bru bakani ka committee ya kabla clay de Dr. M. Amprin do hakasi palai kansalai chamau kurwat Southwest Castle District ban khmi halor ka koi ka khia ji ki kenthe ki ba armet ki khanna ki khalung bar halor ki we de ki kam.
We are going to Maukurwat. The Women Empowerment Committee team is going to Maukurwat, headed by Madam Amprin Lingdo. In Maukurwat, Southwest Khasi Hills, we would like to review similar things like the health care of the pregnant mothers and the infant children. We would also like to examine and see on the crime rate against women in the Southwest Khasi Hills, and also on the food and nutrition of the women. So these are the things.